Hello. My mom made Dakdoritang, a Korean spicy chicken favorite of my dad and me. I'm really excited to eat this. To make it, you'll need 2 potatoes, 2 carrots, about half a cup of garlic, and 5 or 6 dried peppers. You can use fresh jalapenos too. Start by cutting all the ingredients into bite-sized pieces. For the garlic, slice it thinly. For the chicken, my mom prepared about 3 pounds of boneless chicken thighs. Begin by briefly blanching them in boiling water. Drain, return them to the pot, and place it on the stove. Add all the other prepared ingredients and pour in 2 cups of water. Add a 1/3 cup of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 3 tablespoons of red pepper powder, and plenty of pepper. 2 tablespoons of wine vinegar, and after you add all these things, bring them to a boil. Once it's boiling, add 2 tablespoons of Korean soybean paste, doenjang.
Usually, people will put gochujang in dakdoritang, but my mom, instead of using gochujang, uses doenjang. This is the secret to why it is so delicious.
Cover the pot and let it boil thoroughly. Towards the end, you can add ramen noodles and let them cook a bit more. Or, you don't need to add any extra. You can just eat it by itself with rice. That'll also be very good as well. I really loved this dish. This food is really good, unless you don't like spicy food. Enjoy this delightful meal with your family for dinner. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and have a great day.